Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, we're going to take a virtual trip to the stunning Kit Hill in Callington, Cornwall. This breathtaking location offers panoramic views that stretch for miles, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Kit Hill stands tall at 334 meters high, providing a vantage point that's hard to beat. As you stand atop this picturesque hill, you'll be greeted by the sight of the Holmbush Mine and Quarry, a historic reminder of the area's rich mining history. But that's not all. Kit Hill is also home to some of the most stunning wildlife in the region. Keep your eyes peeled, and you might just spot some horses, sheep, birds of prey, and even llamas roaming freely across the hill. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and head to Kit Hill in Callington for an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to snap some photos to share with your friends and family. Thank you for joining us on this virtual adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel destinations. Until next time, happy travels!